Hello beautiful people. In this video we are talk about the 5 best Galaxy Tab S7 case you can buy Amazon. The Galaxy Tab S7 is a sleek and lightweight tablet that's perfect for reading, gaming, or watching movies on the go. The Tab S7's battery life is also impressive and can last up to 12 hours on a single charge. It also includes a powerful Qualcomm Snapdragon 670 processor that delivers smooth performance for your daily tasks and entertainment. There are many reasons why you would want to buy a Galaxy Tab S7 case. One of the main reasons is because it will protect your tablet from any damage that may occur. This is a very important point because people spend a lot of money on these tablets and they want them to last. If you don't have a screen protector, then this can be an issue because the screen can get scratched or cracked and this will cause problems while using your tablet. Another reason why you might want to buy this type of case is because it will make your tablet easier to carry around with you when you travel. You can put the tablet in your bag without having to worry about it getting damaged or scratched, which could happen if there was no protection for it. The Galaxy Tab S7 case is made with high-quality material that provides durability for long-term use. The surface of the cover is anti-slip to give you better grip on your tablet when you are holding it. The case also has a raised lip to protect the screen from scratches when it falls face down on a flat surface. Here are OnlyBetterOnes. We are a bunch of product researchers and testers. We test, analyze and research and new products and create a list of top 5 best products based on price, quality, feature and user feedback. So if you are interested in any product, I have linked to each product description below. You can check if you want. If are new to this channel, please consider subscribing our channel and press the bell icon so you don't miss any new video. Number 5. Otterbox case. Protect your new tablet with the perfect case. Our Otterbox case is a magnetic back cover that will keep your Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 safe at all times. It will allow you to take full advantage of its sleek design and is compatible with our other accessories such as the keyboard, stand, and stylus. You'll never have to worry about scratches or smudges again. It's a Otterbox case. This slim, lightweight tablet case is stylish and functional. It has a stand that can be folded back to view or type in either landscape or portrait orientation, and it has an auto sleep-wake feature. The best part? There are many designs to choose from, so you'll never get bored of your own case. This case is made of a durable and lightweight fiber material that is engineered to protect your Tab S7. This case comes in a variety of colors and has a built-in 2-piece folio that is designed to fold into an easel stand. Otterbox is a premium quality brand as we always focus on the safety, quality and value of our products. We aim to provide customers with the best products and service that they deserve. The smart cover attaches magnetically to the back of Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 to provide protection. Get rid of a traditional border while keep the body slim and light. Easily access the buttons of your Samsung Tab S7. Number 4. Otterbox prefix. Sometimes it's just better to live in your tablet. It's not like the real world is any safer. With the patent-pending Prefix series case for Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 5G, you can have the best of both worlds. The ultra-slim design and soft grip make it comfortable to use in any setting and withstands drops from up to 4 feet. Keep your tablet safe from life's little accidents with a case designed for the Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 5G. Protect your newest tablet with our most innovative case. The Prefix series is designed to exclusively fit the Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 5G and offers an ultra-slim profile with a soft grip. It also features a magnetic stand that props up the device in 2 viewing angles, adding convenience. Sleek and stylish, the Prefix series is the perfect mix of hard and soft, protecting your tablet without sacrificing style or functionality. The Prefix series case for Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 5G creates a slim profile with a soft grip, which is perfect for handling your tablet in any setting. The case also features an integrated magnetic stand that props up the device in 2 viewing angles, adding convenience. Number 3. Spigen. Protect your Galaxy Tab S7 with the Spigen Tough Armor Pro for the ultimate in tablet protection. Featuring a sleek and simple design, your tablet is both stylish and safe on any surface. The adjustable stand makes for a comfortable viewing angle for watching movies or reading books, and the S Pen slot ensures you'll never lose this essential tool again. The Spigen Tough Armor Pro is the perfect case for your Galaxy Tab S7. Shockproof and matte finish for ultimate protection. S Pen slot keeps the S Pen from slipping out of the case. Precise cutouts for all buttons, ports, camera, and speakers. Leave your desk behind and get more work done by taking your tablet on the go. Spigen's Tough Armor Pro is an adjustable tablet stand designed to fit the Galaxy Tab S7, as well as most other tablets up to 11.9 in size. It seamlessly connects with S Pen and functions as an easy-to-use cradle for hands-free viewing while on the move. Fully compatible with the S Pen and comes with built-in pen storage. Stand fully collapsible for portability and adjustable angles in all ideal positions that support horizontal and vertical viewing while watching videos, playing games, making phone and video calls, and more on your desktop. Stand with non-slip rubber pads that firmly provide a strong hold on surfaces to prevent sliding and scratching. Number 2. Samsung. Your device is always on the go, so we're here to help with protection and functionality. The sleek Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 book cover is an elegant, durable and lightweight way to protect your Tab S7 from drops and bumps. It also features a smart wake sleep function that automatically wakes up your device when you open the case and puts it back to sleep when you close it. The Samsung Electronics Galaxy Tab S7 book cover is a slim lightweight case that not only protects your device but also enhances it. The cover has a magnetic closure system which secures the cover on your device and will not fall off easily. This cover is perfect for those who want to use the device at ease and also keep it protected all the time. The Galaxy Tab S7 book cover features a slim, lightweight design with an inner magnet that makes attaching and removing it a snap. As you open and close the cover, the tablet's screen will automatically turn on and off to eliminate wait times and conserve battery. The cover's embedded S Pen holder ensures the pen is always secure and at your fingertips. Inside the case, it's got a soft microfiber lining to protect your screen from scratches, and it also has a foldable stand that lets you enjoy your favorite media in landscape orientation. Number 1. Otterbox Defender. Protect your Galaxy Tab S7 from the inevitable drops that come from everyday life with the Otterbox Defender series case. With a slim and sleek profile, this rugged tablet case is ultra-protective against drops, bumps and shocks. Built with a dual-layer design, it stands up to some of the toughest wear and tear with ease. Made for ultimate protection and rugged outdoor use, the Otterbox Defender series case for Galaxy Tab S7 is a hard and rugged case to keep your device protected. Otterbox's Defender series is a multi-layer defense system that provides drop, scratch, and dust protection. Drop-proof. Dust-tight. Scratch-resistant. This is the Otterbox Defender series case for Galaxy Tab S7. It's made for demanding conditions, heavy use, and provides premium protection for your tablet, all at the fraction of the cost of an Apple iPad Air 2 case or Surface Pro 4 sleeve. It features a screen protector to prevent scratches, a built-in screen protector for added defense, and port covers to keep out dust and debris. The included shield stand defends against scrapes and scratches on the tablet screen when placed in landscape orientation. The hard internal shell, soft outer slipcover and built-in screen protector deflect everyday action and accidents. And the included shield stand enables hands-free viewing and comfortable typing.